So you got a dog and they love stretching the door, and this is what happened. The dog just run through this window screen over here, the door screen over here. And today, what we're gonna do is gonna put a new one on. Rip this apart, put a new one on. What do you need? Well, you need a flat head or this I don't know what they call it, the needle nose with a skinny thin head, so you can easily pick out these seal over here, these splice, the splice tool, Caesar splice. Actually, I got the wrong size. I didn't know what it is, and I got both sides, 125 and 140. But it's happened to be that this one is a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna reuse the one on it. It's only a year old, but my dog love getting this, so gotta reuse it and put a new screen on. And this is the new screen. It's odd that this one I measure is 88-inch long and 32 I believe, yeah, 31.78 inch, and the standard roll only 85 feet long, 85-inch long. It wouldn't fit it, so I had to get the 25 feet long to make it fit. Well, I'm gonna just keep extra next time, just use it again. Symbol, you just take out the old one. Symbol, looking for the corner that has the open splice. So this one over here in this case, just pull it out, and then pull the seals out, the splice out. Super simple though. So I'm gonna reuse it, so I'm gonna be careful not breaking it. And then just pull the old string out, making sure that you take your tool off the string so it doesn't fly all over the place. There you go. And now you're left with an empty frame. There you go. And you just lay the roll on here. You can measure it or just lay the roll on top of the frame and cut it to your desired length. So this one is 36 inch and by 25 feet, but I'm gonna use only 88, 89 inches long. So this one actually thicker than the one that originally on the frame, so hopefully they will last a little bit longer without the dog like breaking it again. Now I just lay it flat on the frame and roll it out. So give it a little extra, then you go on to trim it. You know, just leave it like an inch or so extra, so after you put the splice on you can trim it to the side. Just unroll it to your desired length. Use a Caesar to cut it out. Now we already have that on top here. It's a little extra there, but that's fine. We will trim it on the final result. What we're going to do is put the splice back on. Just reverse how we took it out. And you put the string inside first. So use if you notice the splice, there's one round one and one that the indent one. We use the round one to put the string in first. Just like that. Then keep rolling. If you want, you can do it halfway on one side, like one corner, then put the splice in so it hold it in place for you to easier to pull on the tension of the string. So you flip it around to the indent one and put your splice in. I'm going to reuse the old one since the one that I bought is a little smaller. So you just put it in like that and run it along until the the splice get into the roof. And you can see that it's the splice is already locking into the roof, and you know that the string will stay in there, doesn't come off. And for the window door screen repair, you could pay $70 to $80 per door for labor plus material. And if you learn how to do it, then you can pay it to yourself and put it to some other thing that you want to use that money for. You can see that it's staying there, it doesn't come off. And don't trim at the corner, just put it around the corner, lock it into the corner, and keep going. So making sure that the corner is get all the way in, then keep going. Alright, so that looking good. It's a little loose, but the old one was a little loose too, so we don't want it too too tight. We want to have some play. It's alright. Yeah, so that's how it's done. You got the new screen on with the new splice. Well, I reused the old one, but you can get the new one and install it. And then there's some extra here. You can just trim it off and make sure that the splice are all the way in. And just roll it one more time for good faith. Well, that's it. And well, that's pretty much done. Final step, we just trimming these extra the excess one with the utility knife. I forgot to mention on the special tool. So yeah, it's a utility knife, so you just cut it. There you go, that's better. So I like to do the edge here and just run your utility knife along the edge, making sure that you don't get on the splice. Cut the splice. If you notice, is that the frame here, you can cut it against that one, so that it doesn't get on the what did I tell you? It's actually a lot thicker than the original one. So I hope that it will withstand those puppy that keep scratching on it and jumping out the door. Oh, there you go. The new one is on. Look a lot better than the old one. Oh, that's it. Let's put it back onto the door and blocking those bugs out. There you go. Psh, voila. Got a new screen on. No more bugs. Scratching a little here, but that's fine at the corner. Just see how long it lasts, and then if anything happens, just slap on the new one. Got some extra right here too. Those guy. Yeah, those that punch through the screen. That guy. That little guy is the one that's making all the hole on the screen. Yeah, can't see it. See? Alright everyone, that's alright everyone, that's a wrap. So got a new screen on. It's look amazing, a lot better than the tone one, and it's look a lot thicker. So let's see how long it will stay hold up with these guy over here, with these pups over here. Keep punching through things, screen, doors, windows. They love doing that. So well, let's go wrap it up.